Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Khushi. Today we're going to be doing another project from JavaScript. So this is actually the snail in the well project. Now let's see what it is. It looks a little bit like a story, but yeah, it's good. So the snail climbs up 7 feet each day. So actually the snail is in the well, so it climbs 7 feet up every day so that he can get out of it. But at night, it slips back 2 feet down. And how many days will it take for the snail to get out of the well? So let's see how it is. So here we have a little bit of the calculation. I'm going to tell you, if you read this, it's going to be a little bit more confusing because this was the scene for me when I read it for the first time. But let's just see it as we do. So we're actually going to be using the while loop and if and else conditions right here. So let's start. So first we have to declare a bit of variables. So first of all, we have I. Now what is I? Let me tell you. I is the number of days because our question is how many days, right? So we're going to have days as the main thing. So we'll be having days which will be equal to 0 as of now because it's going to be increasing later on. Next, we're going to have, next we are going to have up. So up is equal to 7 as we know because it's given here. And we have to add these colons. Next, we'll be having the down as well. So the down will be equal to 2 because it slips back 2 feet, right? And now result. Now why result? I'm going to tell you really soon. Result will also be equal to 0. Result is how many feet the well is, like how tall the well is or what is the depth of the well. Now we're going to be using the while loop. Okay, so while result is less than or equal to depth, because we don't want this to continue even after the result is more than the height of the well, right? So we'll be having the curly braces and let's go. We're going to be adding result and up. So this will be result plus and equals to up, which is result. Okay. Result plus is equal to up. I'm sorry if there's any background noises, but please forgive me for that. Next, we are going to be increasing I. So we're going to be using the increment for I. So we'll be having I plus plus. Now next, we're going to be using if. So if the result is more than depth, if result is more than or equal to depth, what are we going to do? If this is a scene, we are actually going to print I. So we're going to use console.log and we're going to print I. Sorry. We'll have I. And more what? We are going to break this right here. And out of this, if we're going to subtract something from result. What is that? Let's see. Now, why am I doing this? This is because every day the snail slips 2 feet down. So we have to do that so that the whole depth and the whole days is accurate. So now that I've aligned everything properly, now let's just run and see if this works out. Okay, so we have an error. We actually have an extra curly brace at the end. So let's just see where it is. So we have one for this one. Okay, so we have an extra one. If you can see, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. But we have actually opened just 3 of them. So that's an error. Now let's see if it works. So yeah, that works out. So the depth of the well is given 42, and then the snail will take 8 days to get out of it. That is 42 feet. And in the test case 2, we have 128 feet, which means the snail will take 26 days to come out of the well. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and press the notification bell. Also, do share it with all of your friends. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Bye.